Assalamualaikum kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today our activity is fun with collage. In this activity we make a bird with different craft paper. So let's start. Apply glue inside the outline of the bird. Tear the colored papers in pieces and paste on the bird. Choose different colored papers to make the bird colorful. In wings I select purple craft paper. Apply glue on the body and paste yellow craft paper. I select yellow craft paper, you can select any color of your choice. Apply glue on the tail of the bird and paste green and orange craft paper. So kids, our bird is ready. Hope you kids like it and done this great. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.